Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class Mathematics, and the topic is questions based on a number 1 to 100. In this video we are going to cover the practice test MT004, which is already given to you, and now we are going to see the solution of all the questions. So let's start. The question number 1. How many times does the digit 9 occurs? How many times digit occurring in a number from 1 to 100? So here we have to count the digit. Okay, we know digit, here the digit occurring in a 1 to 100 means all the digits, means single digit number or two digit number or three digit number. In this table, how many times the digit occur in two digit number means only related to the two digit number. Okay, means 1 to 9 is not considered and the 100 is not considered. So if we count the only the number, okay, so digit counting is here, and the number counting, if you see for 1 to 100, here the 2 times 0 comes, means how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 up to the 10. So here 10s I just note down at the one side. And how many times the digit occur in two numbers? 9 times, and the number also 9, because 100 is not considered in a two digit number. Now for the 1, how many times the digit occur for 1? It's a 21, but the if we consider for the number counting, so here 11, so 2 times comes, means only one time we have to count it as a for the number instead of the digit counting. So deduction 1 means 20 times comes. Okay, same like for 2 to 9, everywhere the 22, 33, then 44, 45 digit occurring in a 2 times, but for the numbering, one number has to be considered, means instead of the two digit, one has to be considered, means we have to deduction of the one counting, means the 19 comes. Now for the only two digit number, here 11 to 19, 9 plus here 1 means 10, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Because of the 11, two digits are counted, but we have to count the number, means one has to be deducted, so here 18 comes. Okay, now for the 2 to 9, same, one counting has to be deducted, so 18 comes. So this and these are the number counting, and these are the digit counting, or we can say the digit occurring. Okay, please try to understand the distinction between these ones. So now comes to our question, how many times does the digit 9 occur? Means we have to count the 9 for 1 to 100. So 1 to 100, 9 counting, so here the 9 comes, 9 digit is there, 1 to 100 means the 20. So the answer 20 correct one. How many two digit numbers are there having digit 6? Only about the two digit numbers having digit 6 means we have to count the numbering. Okay, so for numbering counting and for the 6, okay, and only the two related, so answer comes the 18. So the 18 means option number 1 is there. Please read the questions carefully. Two digit number we have to count where the digit 6 comes. Okay, numbering we have to count and only related to the two digit. Now the question number 3, the two digit numbers we have to count the two digit number. How many times 7 digit occur? How many times 7 digit occur? So in a two digit number, 7 digit occurring, digit we have to count in a two digit number, means two digits are here and 7 is occurring 19 times. So the answer is a 19. Then the question number 4, how many two digit numbers are there having digit 5 in them? Okay, for 1 to 100. Okay, in between this two digit only we have to consider, and the 5 digit we have to count it. So we have to count for the two digit numbers, okay, and 5 digits. So 5 digit comes belongs to the 2 to 9, and the numbering we have to count, because in question if you see the two digit number, how many two digit numbers? Okay, so 5 digit here and two digit numbering as here. Okay, so 18. So the answer is 18, option number 2. Question number 5, how many numbers with digit 0 from 1 to 100? How many numbers are there? Okay, so numbers means for this one is the numbering counting for 1 to 100. For 1 to 100 there is no mention two digit or any criteria, so means here 1 to 100 all these ones, so 10 numbers are there, so the numbers means the 10. Okay, so option number 2 is the comes. Now question number 6. How many times does 4 occurs at tens place? 4 occurs only about the tens place. So we have to consider only 10 place means here to here. Means from 40 to 49 means 10 times. So the 10 means option number 2 is correct one. How many 2-digit numbers means 2-digit we have to count are there between 1 to 100 having digit 3 in their unit place? Only related to the unit place, but 2-digit number means 3 should not be count, and unit place 13, then 23, 33, 43, like this one we have to count. The 3 at the tens place should not be count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 times. So the answer 9 comes in option number 3. Now the question number 8. How many numbers are there in all having digit 5? All numbers in that one we have to count the numbers digit 5 in its unit place, okay, and digit 2 its tens place. So first we will count for the digit 5 at the unit places. How many numbers? So unit 5 at the all this one. Here also we have to count, here also, here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 numbers are there. So for 5 unit place 10 countings. For the digit 2 in its tens place, only related to the tens means from 20 to 29. So these are the 10 countings are there. So this is the 10 counting. But if you see 5 is counted at the 25 and 2 also counted for the 25, means 2 times this number is counted. So we have to either here 9 consider or either here 9 consider. So instead of this 10 we will consider 9 here. So 10 plus 9 it comes the 19. So the answer 19 is the correct one. Then the question number 9. How many numbers are there between 1 to 100 not having digit 2 to 9? What is the meaning of not having 2 to 9? Means either 0 or either 1. Other digits should be comes. So if there is a 2 digit, we should not be considered. So here 1 2 3 4 up to the 100. So if there is a 2 or up to the 9 should not be count, means 1 is here we can count, then 1 and 0 also we can count, then here 11. But after the 11, if any 2 to 9 digit comes, that should not be counts, means up to the 99 we could not have any digit. So after directly 99 there is a 100. So this is the fourth, means 1, then 2, then 3, and this is 4. So there are the 4 digits are there. So the option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 10. How many 2 digit numbers number we have to count are there which are not square number or cube number? Means we have to count first square number, then cube number, and that has to be deducted from the all the 2 digit number. We know the 2 digit numbers 90 are there. Now how many square numbers are there? Square numbers are there tens, but related to the 2 digit number. So related to the 2 digit numbers, this is 2 digit number, this is single digit or we can say 1 digit, it should not be counted, okay. So this one, and here the 3 digits, so this is also should not count. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here the 6 digits are there. So square numbers 6. Then cube numbers. Now what is exactly the cube number? In this unit or sub unit we have not yet studied the cube number. For your understanding, what is a cube number? Okay, so cube number is any digit, okay, multiply by with a 3 times. Suppose 1 is there, 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 3 times, 1 2 and 3 3 times. If we multiply by that self digit, the product or result we can get any number, that number is a cube of that digit. Now 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 1 comes, 1 number's cube is the 1. Now for the 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 has to be multiply by itself with a 3 times. So 2 multiply by 2 4, 4 multiply by 2 8. So 8 is a cube number of digit 2. Then 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So 3 multiply by 3 9, 9 multiply by 3 27. So 27 is a cube number of 3. Now 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4 is equal to 4 multiply by 4 16, 16 multiply by 4 64. So 64 is a cube number of 4. So here I hope you understand the cube number. and we are calculating the cube numbers also. Same like a for 5, 5 multiplied by 5, 25 multiplied by 5, 125, 125. But our limit is only up to the 100, so this should not be considered. And single digit also, or we can say one digit number also, should not be considered. So 1 and 8 should not consider. Now only 27 and the 64 these are. But 64, if you see, 64 already we have counted for the square number, so 64 here should not be counted. So only and only 127 number we can count for the cube number. So here only 1, so counting comes the 1. Now 6 and 1, these are we have to deduct for from the 90, because here the not, which are not square number, or we can say the cube number. So 90 minus 6 plus 1, this has to be added. So 90 minus 7, it comes the 83. Okay, so 83, but in our option if you see, 83 is not mentioned. Possibly this, instead of 82 there is a 83, so we can consider this option 1 is the correct one if there is a 83 there. Now the question number 11, how many numbers are there having digit 1 and 0 from 1 to 100? Here how many numbers, we have to count the numbers. Okay, number for the 1 is the 20 and number for the 0 is the 10. So here for the 20 and here for the 10. But if you see the number having 10 and 100, if you see the 10 and the 100, this is counted for the 0 also and the 1 also. So these are the counted two times, means here also counted and here also counted. So from here either we have to deduct 2, or from here either we have to deduct the 2. First we will make the addition and then deduction of the 2. So 20 plus 10, it comes the 30, minus this 2 counting has to deducted, because this is repeatedly counting for digit 1 and the digit 0. Okay, so 30 minus 2, it comes the 28. So the answer 28 is the correct one. Now question number 12, how many numbers from 1 to 100 are there not having digit 1? Numbers we have to count. So if you see the number 1 is the counted for 1 to 100 is the 20 times, number counting, not a digit counting. So number counting 20, so 100 minus this 20, so it comes the 80. So not having the digit 1 means how many? So 80 are there. So the option number 3 is the correct one. Thank you.